Hello everyone, so today we are going to create this smoky eye look and the sleek open hairstyle. This hairstyle is quite easy to make and quite exotic to look. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have already moisturized my face. Now we are going to prime our face. Do our eyebrows. And now conceal our eyelids so that our eye makeup doesn't look cakey and patchy. You can use any kind of foundation or concealer, anything. Now blend. Now this compact powder, we are going to use this compact powder on our eyelids like this. Now for the smoky eye look, we are going to use this kajal. You can use any gel liner if you have. So we are going to draw a thin line on our near our eyelashes and blend it with this crease brush. Now blend. So basically we are not going to take too much product. We are going to take product and place it near our eyelashes so that it doesn't look too much black on our eyes. Like this, we want to put it near our eyelashes and then take the product through blending. So we are going to blend upwards like this, put downwards and then blend it upwards like this. So blending is the real thing. You have to do the blending really nice for this smoky eye look like this. Blend. And then we are going to use this brown eyeshadow and make it like this and blend both the colors nicely. Blend. Blending is the key. You have to blend really nice. Blend. And then now put the foundation on our face. We are going to use this two foundation. Well, first one is Fit Me and second one is Green Tea. And now put it on our face and blend it really nice with this beauty blender. Blend. Now conceal it and conceal all the dark spots and dark circles you have. Now compact powder. Cake your face with this compact powder. And now for the lower lash line, use the same two shades of eyeshadows and put it on your eyelash so that it will give a really nice look. And then we are going to use this nude palette, and we are going to use this shimmery color on our inner eye corner, like this. Now curl your eyelashes for 10 seconds. Now this mascara time. We'll make your eyes look more prettier. Done. Yeah. Now blush time. Blush your cheeks, your nose and your chin. Do the same. And then highlighter time. So highlight your cheekbones, your forehead, your nose, your cupid bows and your chin. Highlight it real nice. You can use the highlighter in less quantity or more quantity, whatever you like or however you like. I like highlighter much, so I'm going to put much highlight on my face. It gives you really glowing skin, which you don't have, but I really have glowing skin. I like it. That's it. And then your brow bone. Okay. Now put this lipstick on your lips. Any makeup is nothing without lipstick. You know, lipstick is essential. Now we are done. Now we are going to put this makeup setting spray on our face so that our makeup doesn't look patchy or cakey and last longer. Now for the hairstyle, do the middle parting of your hairs. I have bangs, so it took me really long time for this. And do the middle parting like this. And clip your hairs. You can clip your hairs near your ears, but as you know, I have these fringes, so I have to clip here like this. And then set the other hairs free so that it will like hide your clip. So if you like this video or you have any suggestions for me, please do let me know.